Hello everyone, myself Brijesh Yadav, and today I want to discuss about one another concept in Java programming language, which is array. So I use two basic examples through which you can understand very well that how programs are implemented using array and how we can solve the problems in array. So for that, I'm just going to create a new file with the name array1.java, and here I'm writing my first question through which I will try to explain the concept. So our first question is to find the number of element element in an array. Okay. Number of element occur in an array. So for that, I'm just going to create here main function. So firstly, I will try to discuss a few concepts. So for that, firstly we will learn how we can declare array. So here I am writing int arr, and there are two ways to implement array. So this is the first way, new ar new arr, and here we have to give the size. So here I am giving the size as 4, and after this here I am just giving the elements. So here I am giving the at 0th position I am giving 4, and here after this here it isn't. So now everything is fine. So here I am giving another element in this array at index position 1, it is 5. So in similar way I am giving two more elements. So here I am giving at index position 2, and here at index position 3. So now I'm just going to print this position of the index 2. So let's print and see what's the output. So you can see the output is 4, which is a second index position. So now we will move towards the next concept, or next way through which we can able to implement the array. So another syntax is int arr. This is the name of the array, and here I am assigning the elements in this bracket. Like I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after that I want to print the each and every element of the array. Or so basically I just do one thing. I do as out. I need a for loop which starts from int I equal to 0 and goes till I is equal to arr dot length. And here we have to do the incrementation, and here it is equal also. So here I am just putting element of the array at each and every position. So if I run this, then you can easily see it will print each and every element. So if I remove this ln, then it print in just a single line. You can see each and every element of the array is printed. So here I am putting a space so that it will be more clear to you. So now you can see here each and every element is printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6. So these are the basic way through which we can able to implement the array. These are the two ways. So I'm just going to do this comment. So now we will try to solve our first problem to find the number of element occur in an array. So for that, firstly we need to declare an array. So I am just going to declare the array. So here I am passing an array, and I am giving elements in this array as 6, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9, 3, 9, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. So after this, I am taking another target which we need to find that how many times this target will occur in the array. We need to print the number of times this is occur. So here I am just going to create a new function. I have already discussed about function in previous video. It is a void type, and here I am writing occurrence. Here I am passing the parameter which are int arr, and after this I am passing in target, and below this I am just going to do another thing, which is we need a for loop, and in this for loop we need to declare one more. Before this for loop we need to declare another variable with the name count, because we have to count the number of times our target occur in this array. So here I have done this. So now we take an integer sum. Here we use for if loop. So here I am doing sum, and this point to our arr, and below this I am doing another thing, whether if our target is equal to our sum, then we just simply do count plus plus, and we have done this. Otherwise, after this we have to return count. So we have to do this outside this for loop. So here it is the for loop, and we have to do this here. We have to return the count, and it is of integer type. We need integer. So now everything is fine. So let's call it here. Dash out. We need to do occurrence. Some actually let's see. Let me see the name of the num occurrence. So here it is num occurrence. Let's run this program and see what's the output. So here we can see the output is 3. This 5 occur in this array 3 times, here 1, 2 and 3. Let's check for another number which are like 5, and see how many times 5 occur in our program. So here we can see 5 occur 3 times. So this is the basic program, and I hope you understand this concept of array using this problem. So this is the first problem. So I think this is enough for you to understand for today, and in the next video I will surely discuss some another problem. Let me do another thing, another question, which is a simple question to reverse an array, because this will also help to reverse and given array, to reverse the given array. So for that we just need to remove all these things. We also need to remove these things, and below this we need to remove this target also, because we have to reverse this array. So for that we just simply need a for loop which start from it I is equal to 0, and this for loop not is goes to 0, it is goes to arr dot length minus 1, and after this is greater than equal to 0, and here it is equal to 0. Here we need to do the implementation. It is minus minus. After that we just simply need to print the array which is arri, and after this we need to do this out. Let's run and see what the output. Let's remove this ln so it will be more clear, because after removing ln it prints all the result in just a single line. So here put a gap in between each and every element. We can see it has reversed our program. So I am just for making this thing removing all the, giving another number like 1 2 3 4 only. Let's see what's the output. Here you can